What's the meaning of allophone? Allophone. 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 Allophone.
Allophone refers to a group of speech sounds that are perceived as variations of the same basic phoneme, or unit of sound, in a particular language. These variations are caused by differences in the way the sound is pronounced based on the speaker's phonetic context, such as the position in a word or the surrounding sounds. Allophones do not change the meaning of a word, but they can affect its pronunciation and make it sound more natural to native speakers. For example, the T sound in stop and top are allophones of the same phoneme in English.